Hi, welcome to Lee Acupuncture Wellness Center. Today we are going to talk about Chinese pediatric Tuina for kids with cough. Cough in children is the most common pediatric complaint. Chinese pediatric Tuina is a simple but effective method of treating both acute and chronic cough among children without side effects. Typically, Chinese infant massage can quickly cure most symptoms. Today, we are going to introduce 5 simple steps you can use at home to help your kids relieve and stop cough as soon as possible.
So very first, the technique called the clear lung channel, and kids' fingers, fourth ring finger, and this tip is what we call the lung channel, and we want to clear, so the direction will be towards your side. So gently rub it for 100 times. And the purpose of this one is to clear exogenic factors and also stop coughing as well. And next, the technique is called a diaphragm. And this one is a middle finger, and center of your palm you divide by 3 different pieces. So 2/3 of this point circle around, we call the inner bagua, and you gently rub it 100 times. So third one called the danzheng, here between the nipple, and you can use your thumb to kneading, or you can use the middle finger to kneading 100 times. This one also stopped coughing and helped health of the lungs to bring more energy or airway easily. Fourth technique is we call the tenchugu. It's from the hairline towards your C7 spine, so downward. It also stop coughing and then bring your lungs energy going downward, so eventually stop. And this one, you do that 100 times. The fourth one is we call the face shoe. Top of your shoulder, and coming, this one is a cervical 7, 1, T1, T2, and T3. And side of T3, this point known as stop coughing and then enhance the lung function. So you can do 2 fingers with the thumbs or index finger, the middle finger, 100 times.